So if you're in the market for a gaming keyboard and mouse, then I think I found the one for you. Hey everybody, my name's Aidan, this is Everyday Tech. Before we get going, if you could subscribe to my channel below, that would be great. And if you do get to the end of this video and you do enjoy it, then please hit that like button. So just like most people, when you're looking for a gaming keyboard and mouse, if you're not sure what you're looking for, Amazon is the way you go. And that's the way I went. I typed in gaming keyboard and mouse and it came up with a brand called Havit. Now, never heard of them before until I'd gotten to Amazon, and I thought, you know what, they had a deal on, it looked pretty good, so I gave it a go, and I've used it for about three and a half weeks now, and I must tell you that I think it's pretty good, and it's definitely punching well above its weight. And the reason I say that is because, you know, if you click on the link and you buy it, you'll see how affordable these are, and they feel really good. I mean, the keyboard itself looks really nice. It's got a little palm rest on the front, which I think is nice, and you don't get with a lot of keyboards. It's got a really chunky feel about it. It's got feet underneath, so you don't have to have it flat to the table, and those feet have a good positive click in them, so there's no chance of them collapsing, so it's not going to fall on you, so which I think is really nice. And it's little things as well, like on the top of the keyboard you've got the multifunction buttons, so you can activate your computer, your web browser and your email. Now, there are some limitations on this. This isn't a highly spec'd keyboard. For example, it is backlit and it is multicolored, and that's it. You can just turn it off and you can turn it on. There is no option to change the color. It's even got really nice brightness. I mean, it's not overly bright and it's not very dim. All of the keys are very well lit. It may not show perfectly through the video, but it does actually look really well. So then we come to the mouse. Now, the mouse actually feels really good. Granted, it's probably not as light as a professional gaming mouse, but who really cares apart from the serious gamers? It looks really cool and it's got most of the functions that you would need. So you've got all your buttons have a really good click on them. You've got the thumb buttons at the side, you've got your scroll wheel on the top, and then you've got a button right at the very top which controls the DPI, which is the dots per inch. And for those of you that don't know, that can control how much the cursor moves on the screen, which I find really useful on a mouse which was so affordable, because you don't get that on all mouses. Most of them, the real cheap ones, are just set as they are. So these are both wired. If you're looking for wireless, you're going to have to look elsewhere, but I wanted wired because I just wanted something that you can just plug in. Have it also do other combinations that are also very affordable. So you can also get a gaming keyboard and mouse with a gaming headset and mouse mat, and they also look really cool and they are also very affordable. And what I'll do is I'll put links in the description of how you can buy both. So if you're watching this and you're a serious gamer, then this isn't for you. But if you're just starting out, or you're just your everyday guy that likes to just play games and just want something that looks kind of cool but is very much affordable, then this is the set for you. So guys, if you found this useful, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. If you didn't find it useful, then double tap that dislike button. And guys, I shall see you soon.